Aloha fam, Crypto Chris here. Hope you're having a beautiful day and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today, I'll be asking you 3 questions and your answers will help determine if NFTs are the right hobby for you. Obviously, there are other factors involved, like do you have time to do hours of research and do you have money to invest in the first place? But in today's video, we're gonna focus on concepts to see if this is something that you could actually be passionate about. If you answer yes to all 3 questions, then NFT flipping may be for you. And if you answer no to all 3 questions, then it probably isn't. And if you're somewhere in the middle, keep watching, keep learning, we might be onto something. All right, let's get into it. Question 1, are you a forward thinker? To start, NFTs are a relatively new, innovative technological space. And to be a part of the game, you need to recognize the potential they have to disrupt many industries and challenge the way that we view owning and selling assets. NFTs provide opportunities for business models that have never been done before. Right now, digital artwork, collectibles, and interactive video game items are the trend. But in the future, I believe there will be more real-world uses for this. Things like events ticketing, real estate transactions, decentralized short-term vacation rentals, and more. So you really have to appreciate that future value first before getting involved in trading. Secondly, you need to look forward and be a step ahead to stay ahead. The best traders I know always have a plan. They decide when they'll buy in, when they'll get out, and a strategy in case things go wrong. Great traders can adapt in a controlled and informed way. You also have to be a confident trader. Successful ones recognize past failures without dwelling on them. Every trade is a learning experience that hopefully helps you make better decisions in the future. You might not have it all figured out, but are you mindful enough to keep moving forward? Trading can be emotionally draining, and it's easy to get caught up and burned out. It's fun to play and make money, but more often than not, it messes with your head. I feel like a lot of traders, myself included, tend to experience regret. Even when we win, we constantly check the floor price of the project we just sold. Did we time it properly? Did we buy at the bottom and sell at the top? If it's out of your hands, it deserves freedom from your mind too. You have to focus on the things you can control, like your attitude, your next move, and patience. Patience, discipline, and emotional intelligence are all tied into forward thinking. Question 2, are you an independent thinker? At the beginning, you may have some support, whether that's through mentorship, reading articles, or watching videos on trades. But at the end of the day, you're the one that will have to execute the trade. Your decisions determine your success. The space moves quick, so it's important to be independent. Choosing the right NFT project sometimes can take countless hours of research. If you missed the video where I conveniently explained the key positive things I look for in a project, I linked it right here. You might learn something from me, you might learn something from someone else, but at the end of the day, every trader has a different strategy. Once you find one that works from you, you probably won't care too much about other people's opinions. You'll just do what's best for you. If you develop independence and take responsibility early on for your education, profits, and losses, you shouldn't have any problems down the road. Also, you need to be aware early on that you're not going to be able to see everything. Unlike Pokemon, you can't catch them all. Now, independence doesn't mean taking on the world alone either. Definitely get help when you need it. Although our NFT community is amazing, you need to make sure you have the knowledge and confidence to think independently. And the last question you should ask yourself is, are you a risk taker? Are you willing to risk it for the biscuit? Because scared money doesn't make any money. Even though an investment should be an educated and calculated risk, you need to understand the reality that all investments can be impacted by factors that are out of our control. Stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, ETFs can all lose some value or all their value if market conditions sour. What makes NFTs unique is their ability to provide insane returns. Just last week, I observed an NFT project that went 1,000% in an hour. Do you know any ETFs, stocks, or bonds that provide that level of reward in that short amount of time? Well, the right NFT projects can be a life-changing opportunity, and these opportunities come up almost daily. But don't get it twisted. With big rewards comes big risk. And unfortunately, the NFT markets are very volatile and you can never predict what's gonna happen. But you also miss 100% of the shots you don't take, and one win in this space can make up for 5 losses. If you answered yes to these questions, you probably would be a successful NFT trader. If you're a forward-thinking, independent risk taker, you have the right mindset to do well. Record keeping is also important so you can keep track of your wins and losses and learn from your experiences. Fortunately, the blockchain keeps a record of all of this. And that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little bit. If you could, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.